Layer and Display Module Function Introduction. Layer Settings. Layer Settings. This command is used to set layers. Click the Layer Settings function. The dialog box already lists the default layer information of the system. Clicking the plus sign in front of the layer meaning will expand the sublayers. If the checkbox for the sublayer is not selected, the software will merge all layers that match this layer meaning into one layer. If the checkbox for the sublayer is selected, the name of each sublayer will automatically be changed to a unique layer name, making it a separate layer. The remaining layers will be merged into one layer. To modify the relevant layer information, simply click on the specific content in the list and directly enter the new information in the input box. If you need to quickly edit a layer, right-click on the layer information you want to modify. Layer parameters setting completed. Transfer current layer. This command is used to move the selected entities to the current layer. Click the Transfer Current Layer function. Select entity to convert to the current layer. The selected entities are immediately moved to the current layer. Entity moved to current layer completed. Merge layers. This command is used to merge entities from two different layers into the same layer. Click the Merge Layers function. Select the entities of the layers to be merged. Select the entities on the target layer to be merged. Layer merge completed. Clean up layers. This command is used to automatically clean up layers that do not contain any entities. Click the Clean Up Layers function. The command will be executed automatically, and it will prompt to found and unused layers cleaned up. Layer purge completed. Delete layer. This command is used to delete the layers specified by the user. Click the Delete Layer function. Select the entities of the layers to be deleted. Layer deletion completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.